Hey everyone, I hope your day went well today. So this is the daily schedule and from today I am starting this daily schedule. This to-do list is for tomorrow. So this is for SBI JA mains, RRB PO and clerk mains and RRB clerk prelims. As if your RRB PO exam is not over yet, then you can focus more on the prelims. But whose exam is over, then they can focus on SBI and RRB mains plus RRB office assistant prelims examination. So the first thing for tomorrow is one mock test of RRB office assistant. And from now on, we are going to attempt one mock test of RRB office assistant on daily basis. So this is the one mock test, and for mock test, you can go for test books mock test also, because the level of test book mock test is same as the real exam level, and the test book yearly pass is highly affordable. Anyone can afford it. Plus in one subscription you get the access to SSC, bank and railway, all the mock test. Plus you get the practice questions for English, reasoning and for quant also. So I will give you the link of this test book yearly pass in description, and by using my code you will get some extra discount also. Then there is reading of one editorial plus vocab plus one sectional mains mock test of English. Okay, so this is for English. Try to focus on vocab also, because vocab based questions are also asked in the mains examination. Then one arithmetic chapter practice on daily basis, because the basics of arithmetic for the mains examination are very important. You can't solve any question of any arithmetic if you do not know the basics. Plus in DIs also the arithmetic is very important. Then there is 3 to 4 mains level DIs. You can go to mains mock test for finding the material of mains examination. Then there is daily current affairs and revision of previous month's current affairs. Do not ever leave your current affairs in between, because current affairs play a huge role in the mains examination. So try to focus daily on the current affairs and try to revise the previous current affairs on weekly basis. And for current affairs you can go for Affairs Cloud, because in Affairs Cloud PDFs are given according to your convenience, and in the current affairs of Affairs Cloud they provide the quizzes of the same PDF which you read. So if you attempt the quizzes after reading the PDFs, then there is high possibility that you will remember the questions for a long time. So for Affairs Cloud also the link will be given in description, and by using my code you will get some extra 10% discount also. Then there is one sectional mock of reasoning. You can either attempt this mock test or you can solve the miscellaneous questions from this mock test. Then there are 2 mains level puzzles and read banking awareness. So these are the things which I will do tomorrow, and you can take a rough idea and then you can make your own to-do list also. Otherwise you can follow this also, because it is going to be same for everyone who are done with RRB PO prelims examination. So that's all. Thank you and have a nice day and all the very best. Plus now there is no assumptions of SBI mains dates, as I think now it is not possible that the mains can happen on 25th of August also, because the prelims of the left out centers is not over yet. But try to utilize this time as much as you can and try to prepare in a very good way. So that's all. Thank you and have a nice day and all the best.